Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about string slicing in Python. So this is the slicing syntax. This syntax, this is basically to select the items from the entire sequence. So useful for copying a list or a string. And this syntax selects the item from the specified start index to the end of the sequence. And this syntax selects the item from the beginning up to but not including the stop index. So not including the stop index. And this syntax select the item from the start index up to, but not including the stop index. Now select the item from the start index up to, but not including the stop index. In this syntax, select the item from start up to stop, taking every step item in between. So I've got this syntax. I got this string, and I just assign this string into a variable called hostname. I also have this table here that we can refer to, and this will help us while we are learning about the syntax. Okay, so let me uncomment this line here. Okay, so says get the first n characters. So it will just give us the first characters of the hostname route views. So if we analyze this, we see that the positive number is placed in the stop. So meaning it will select the item from the beginning up to, but not including the stop index. So in this case, if we look at the table, so it will start from index 0 through index 4, not including 5, because it's in the stop. So let's try this. So yeah, that's what we see. So it's not including this dash here. Okay, so that's how you get the first 5 characters in the host name. Right, so number 2 is get the last characters, last n characters. So if you look at this, it says start. The negative number, which is -5, is placed in the start. How should we look at this? So we actually start counting the number or the numbers from -1. So -1 through -5, right? So this variable will give us the last 5 characters, which is views. So if we print this, that's what we see. So that's how you get the last 5 characters. Okay, now let's move to the item number 3. So it says remove the last n characters. So meaning remove this, right? So if we analyze this and look at the table, the negative number 4 is placed as the stop. So if we're going to start counting from positive, which is this, right, and then stop at -4, so we should get this, right? So let's try this. Yeah, that's what we get. Okay, let's move to item number 4. So it says get a substring within a range. So we have start of 2 and stop of 7. So start of 2, which is u, and stop 7. So that would be So these are the characters that should be printed. So let's run the command. Let's run the code. Yeah, that's what we get. Okay, so let me just clear this screen here. And item number 5 is reverse the string. So it says start, stop, step. So -1. So it will start counting from -1, right, through -11. So if we run this, that's what we see. It's the reverse of the entire string. Okay, and last but not least, get the nth character. So start is blank, stop is blank, and the step is 2. So taking every step item in between. So what we should see is, let me run this. So look at the table. So RU, yeah, it's basically taking the step which is by 2s, right? So RU E V E S. That's what that's how we got the characters here. All right, so that's all I wanted to discuss in this video. Hopefully you found this useful. If you did, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.